Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So just after a month, bumalik kami ulit sa Lime Hotel para mag-staycation kasi nagkaroon ng 2 days rest day sina Riley sa school after their foundation day. Ayun nga guys, so dapat last week of February pa kami babalik ng Lime Hotel para sana after ng term exams ni Riley, pero napaaga nga ang aming balik sa Lime Hotel kasi nagkaroon ng 2 days rest day ang aking anak sa school because of their foundation day. So after the foundation day, they were given 2 days rest day. Kaya naman naisipan na naming mag-staycation na rin at the Lime Hotel, and we stayed there for 2 nights this time. Actually guys, nilipat kami ng room nung time na yan. So hindi pa ito actually yung room na nakuha namin kasi during that time, we were given a room na wala yung parang tablet device nila to control the curtains, the lights, ganyan. So, yun yung hinanap naman namin. Ayun, and napagbigyan naman kami na lumipat sa ibang room na merong tablet device. For this staycation, nagstay kami doon from Thursday to Saturday. So, yung Thursday to Friday rate, we got the 3,800 rate nila, and nag-walk-in lang naman kami. And then, yung Friday to Saturday, since it's the weekend, so we got the weekend rate, which is 4,200 pesos. So, right after namin makalipat dun sa kabilang room na merong tablet, and after we have settled down, ayan nga, nagsimula na rin ako mag-unpack ng mga gamit namin. Actually, na underpack ko yung mga gamit namin ni Riley kasi kala ko 1 night lang kami mag-stay, as in overnight lang. So, hindi ko in-expect na magto 2 nights pala kami. Kaya, konti lang yung nadala kong damit that time. And then, after naman namin mag-unpack, ayun nga, umakyat na kami dun sa roof deck nila kasi nandun yung pool at nag-swimming na rin yung anak ko. Why are you here? Hey, tell me, why are you here?
Relax.
To?
Relax.
Right? Nice.
Ano yan? Parang nag-i-spray ng ano, baygon.
Daddy,
Ano?
get it.
On our first night, since napamerienda na nga kami nung hapon, doon sa rooftop restaurant nila, bumaba kami and lumabas kami ng hotel. Tinignan namin yung mga nearby restaurants because we were looking for something to eat for dinner na maiba naman kasi diba doon na nga kami kumain ng merienda. So naghanap naman kami ng mga katabing restaurants pero wala kasi kaming napili kasi nga we were so full with the pizza that we ordered during the snacks. So ayun, so bumalik na lang kami ng hotel, kinuha namin yung kotse, tapos nag-drive-through kami. Ayun nga guys, so pagbaba nga namin, puro Chinese restaurants kasi nasa baba. But however, we spotted this photo background for the Chinese New Year. So nagpa-picture na rin kami dito sa area na to. And as what I have mentioned, we went out, kinuha namin yung kotse, tapos nag-drive-through kami. Tapos kumain na lang kami sa room namin. Morning, Relly.
Morning.
Ayan nga, kaya naman type ng anak ko. Tong hotel na to is because amazed siya dun sa automatic na pag-open and close ng curtains through the tablet device nila. Actually guys, ngayon ko palang ma-enjoy yung stay namin dito sa Lime Hotel kasi yung first stay nga namin, may sakit ako noon. So ito guys, yung first breakfast namin. So as I've mentioned, we stayed for 2 nights. That's why we get to have 2 breakfast, buffet breakfast. Ayun. So yun lang yung breakfast kasi is good only for 2 people. So actually kami lang ni hubby yung nag-breakfast. Anyway, kasi si Riley, yung anak namin, hindi rin naman siya masyadong kumakain ng mga breakfast food talaga. So talagang binilhan na lang namin siya ng Jollibee for his breakfast then. What time na? Hala! Hala, let's go na. Hindi ka pa nakabihis. Check out time. It's 12.
What about another night?
Look. Check out time, anak. Halika na. Let's go. Are we going to check out?
Are we gonna check out?
Are we? What? Are we going to check out? Riley. Ang dilim. What are you doing?
No, play the movie.
Check out time. Riley, check out time. Or
No check out time.
or
No check out time.
no check out time. No check out time.
Lock the door so that the staff won't see.
Riley. Riley.
Oh, gusto kayo?
Go to daddy.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Extra light.
extra rice. You have extra rice.
Extra light.
Extra rice.
So after we checked out from the hotel, naisipan namin na pumunta ng Antipolo to visit the Antipolo Cathedral. And then, para na rin mag-overlooking na restaurant dun sa mga restaurants in Antipolo. So yun. So dun kami nagpunta, and then after that, we also went to Fairview. Sakto naman when we arrive at the Antipolo Cathedral, may naabutan kaming parang parade or procession of Mama Mary. So yun pala, ito palang Mama Mary na to is galing from Cavite. So parang nag-travel sila, nag-journey sila to Antipolo.
Upang aming matanto.
Panalangin ang paglulong. Napupuno ka ng grasya.
Doon sa upstairs. Go ready.
So, after we went to visit the Antipolo Cathedral, pumunta naman kami dito sa Taivo Cafe. Medyo maaga pa nung pumunta kami, pero nag-antay kami until sunset, and napakaganda ng sunset dito. At masarap din yung food nila, at meron din silang viewing deck sa taas pa, sa parang rooftop nila. So, munti ko na makalimutan guys, meron din silang hanging bridge dito. So, yun. So, maganda rin yung view ng sunset pag nandiyan ka sa hanging bridge. And super nice naman to end this long weekend staycation for us with some fireworks dun pa rin sa bandang area na yon. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching and see you again on the next vlog.